Now let's talk about the architecture of Android or Android architecture. The Android OS is roughly divided into few sections, and they are also categorized into layers. And here I have mentioned some of those layers. So we have Linux kernel, we have applications, we have application framework, and we have Android runtime and library. These are layer. This is how the Android is layered. So if we talk about the Linux kernel, um, this is the kernel on which Android is based. As I have talked earlier, Android is based on Linux. So and this Linux kernel is where the Android is based. And we have applications. If you talk about application that ship with the Android device, as well as application that you download and install from the Android market. Any application that you write are also located in this layer. Also, we talk about application framework. It explores the various capability of the Android OS to application developer so that you can make use of them in their applications. And there is also Android runtime and libraries. So we talk about libraries. This contains all the code that provide the main feature of Android OS. And so Android runtime at the same layer as the libraries, the Android runtime provides the set of core library that enable developer to write Android apps using a Java programming language. And this is why I was suggesting you should understand some basic of Java programming, because using these libraries is going to be really hard for you if you don't have any knowledge about things like object-oriented programming. So I highly recommend it that you learn or you know the basic of Android Java programming. Thank you guys, and next tutorial we're going to talk about something also new. Remember, subscribe and like, and bye bye.